are these guys from Texas? Why are they burning wood? Are they crazy? What's going on here?
Located in Austin, Texas, Delta Millworks is known for being a pioneer in the charred wood trend in the US. Now they've developed a sophisticated and proprietary process for finishing wood, but the Shou-suig-ban technique was originally discovered by accident.
We got into Shou-suig-ban because of the building we're in. It was built in 1947 and it had a leaky roof. Our current owner, Robbie Davis, was playing around with a roofing torch and a Doug fir beam and realized the Japanese had been doing it for hundreds of years. And they realized that wood that had already had a char on the surface was harder to reignite. It protects the wood from rot, decay, movement, insects, and a host of other things. Theater Squared is something that I started working on with Marvel Architects in New York. We were in their office doing a sales trip and they brought it to the table. It was immediately exciting.
The discovery that that was possible as a material was amazing. We didn't want metal, we wanted wood for everything that wood can do, but how can you deal with that?
They needed a high-grade, long-term solution for their siding, something that had a good flame spread rating. We used a full gator finish for Theater Squared. It's our most traditional Shou-suig-ban, and it lasts the longest. It's the lowest maintenance. It's going to weather like any other piece of wood that's outside, like any other finish, but if everybody's okay with the way it weathers, there's really no reason to go back and touch it. Combined with a modified wood like Kebony, it's a 30 to 40 year product.
So then when we discovered that this charring process makes the wood last so long, that was golden.